Oh, hi. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna welcome to my channel. I have got a recipe for you guys. It is shore lunch walleye wrapped in chicken skin, deep fried, and then tossed in a teriyaki. But first, let's go get some walleye. Boom. Just like that. This is like a good one. Good eater. Yep. Perfect. Exactly what I'm looking for. Weird. Kind of swam towards me. Nice. Little small. Another one. They are just stacked down there. Ooh. Perfect eating size. Whammo. Unreal, eh? Another beauty. Whoa! Almost shouldn't have lined them in. Gorgeous. Okay, now that I got my walleye and my chicken, I'm gonna take the skin off these. Toothpicks, very important. So now we want to wrap them. So you just take your walleye, cover it with the skin, and you roll it in there. Okay? Once it's all rolled up, you take a toothpick and you tighten it, poke it right through. There. A perfect wrapped walleye. Okay, now that the walleye has been wrapped in the chicken skin, we're gonna put it in the batter and then throw it in the fryer. First things first, gotta get the oil warmed up. Now as the oil is heating up, we're gonna have to take the walleye and toss it in a batter. And so right now, get any batter of your choice. Right now I'm just rocking the Canadian Fisherman's. Dump it all into a bag. Now usually I don't dabble in the black arts, but in this occasion I'm going to use some magic. You just want a little bit in there. Toss it around. That'll help the fish and the chicken skin to really crisp up. Now next ingredient is very important, buttermilk. You gotta have it. Okay, seeing how there's toothpicks in here, I'm just gonna pour it on top. And then let it, it's okay if it gets messy. Let it soak it up. Okay. I'm gonna put these down. Now we have our walleye soaking up. We've got our batter. Now I'm just gonna lightly dump them in there because it's kind of fragile right now. No idea how hot that is. I know it should be hot. Corb, are you a teacher? Nope. Okay, there is our first one, nicely battered. I'm gonna see if it's hot enough here. Not quite. Gotta give it another minute. All right, now she's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and put them in there each individually. Make sure you do this slowly. You don't want to splash yourself. All right, let's pull them up. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. But we're not done there. We're going to heat up some teriyaki sauce and then drizzle it over top. So what I'm going to do now is put the pan on there. And I'm going to put a little bit of teriyaki sauce in there, not too much. And you don't want it to burn, you just want to heat it up. Only take a moment. There you go. Make sure take out all the toothpicks, okay? That would be a bad one to get stuck in your throat. There is our final product. And now take some of the warmed up sauce. You just drizzle it over. It's nice and warm. And there you have it. We have walleye wrapped in chicken skin, deep fried with teriyaki on top. I have to try this. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Wow. This is unbelievable. So good. So good. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching the video. I ask that you guys subscribe, pray for each other. We'll see you in the next one. So good.